Another name for this puff puff recipe is sharp sharp puff puff. Yes, I call it sharp sharp puff puff because you don't need to proof and you don't need yeast. Welcome back to my channel. We are using 2 cups of self-rising flour. Yes, I repeat, self-rising flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a pinch of salt, any flavor of your choice, 1 cup of evaporated milk. These are the ingredients we are using for this recipe. After I've added all the ingredients together, I'm going to go on now to mix my batter until I get the consistency I am going for. If this is your first time of stopping by my channel, you're so welcome. And if you've been here before, good to have you here once again. And if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe to Debby's Kitchen, do like and share, do comment and tell me what you think about this recipe. After adding in my liquid milk, I'm going to go on now to add in more water. Warm water is fine, just adding it in bits until you get the consistency we are going for. You know the consistency I'm talking about now, the batter. The stretchy batter. Make sure it is stretchy as you mix your puff puff gradually until it looks exactly like this. Yes, this is what we are going for. Stretchy batter. At this point, you are frying immediately. Yes, immediately. No waiting, no proofing. This is instant sharp puff puff. Heat up your oil, go on out to cut your batter into the oil. If you're somebody that doesn't like the taste of yeast in your puff puff and don't have time to wait, you can go for this puff puff recipe. It's so easy, anyone can make it. Cut your puff puff into your fairly hot oil using the eye gouge method or any method of your choice. After cutting it into the oil, make sure your oil is not too hot. We are going for moderate temperature now and stir continuously. Look at how beautiful these puff puff are looking already. Who would have thought that you can make puff puff without having to wait for 1 hour to proof or without having to get a yeast? It will take away the stress of you wondering if you have a very active yeast in your kitchen cabinet or not. You can make this for yourself anytime, any day. Stir continuously until you have a golden brown look or slightly golden brown look. Get ready to take it out of the oil, keeping a sieve or a salvet to strain excess oil. Don't worry about the legs and the hands. It's one of those things why cutting puff puff, is it not? Now, these are the last sets of our puff puff recipe, and this is what we got at the end of the day. I love this puff puff. It's so easy. Anyone can make it. So this is how it looks. It looks so good, guys, and it tasted so good. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Do like, share, and subscribe, and see you in my next one. Bye bye. Good to have you here. See you next time.